So now question number 9 is equal to 3 bracket a minus 2 whole squared, because 9 can be written as 3 squared, then minus 4 bracket a plus 2 the whole square. The whole square ஓலா வெளியில் வந்துடணும். So this is of the form a squared minus b squared. Even you can take 3 inside. So 3a minus 6, 3a minus 6 the whole square minus 4a plus 8 the whole square. Now it is of the form a squared minus b squared. So in the place of a, 3a minus 6, a plus b into a minus b. So a equal to 3a minus 6, then b equal to 4a plus 8. So a plus b, then a minus b. When you write minus, definitely you have to put the bracket 4a plus 8. 3a plus 4a, 7a. 7a plus 8 minus 6, 2. Then bracket 3a minus 6 minus 4a minus 8. So equal to 7a plus 2, 3a minus 4a minus a, minus 6 minus 8 minus 14. So equal to, you can take minus common. So a plus 14, then 7a plus 2.